Introduction to voice bots and no-code AI.
Voice bots allow users to interact using spoken language. With no-code AI tools, anyone can build a voice bot for customer support, websites, or apps. No programming required. This guide will walk you through the key steps to create your own voice interactive bot using popular no-code platforms designed for ease and flexibility.
Choosing the right no-code platform.
Several no-code platforms help you build voice bots, such as Dialogflow, VoiceFlow, and BotPress. Look for features like easy drag and drop interfaces, integration with voice services like Google Assistant or Alexa, and support for multiple languages. Choose a platform that matches your experience level, target channels, and budget to ensure smooth development.
Designing your voice bot's conversation.
Start by outlining what your voice bot should do. Answer FAQs, collect information, or handle bookings, for example. Use the platform's visual editor to build conversation flows. Map common questions and replies, ensuring responses are clear and friendly. Always test the dialogue for naturalness. Many tools let you prototype conversations before going live.
Adding voice recognition and AI intelligence.
Modern no-code platforms integrate speech recognition, letting users talk to your bot naturally. Use built-in AI features to understand user intent, handle different phrasings, and personalize responses. Train your bot by adding sample phrases for each intent. Most tools provide analytics, so you can continuously improve accuracy and usefulness.
Integrating and launching your voice bot.
Once tested, connect your voice bot to your website, phone system, or messaging app using simple integrations. Follow platform guides to embed widgets or link with smart speakers. After launch, monitor interactions to spot issues and update conversation flows as needed. A well-maintained voice bot can enhance user engagement and automate support, all without writing code.